Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks. And in today's video, we are going to try to better our prompting with Claude. So Anthropic has a new tool where it can help you generate a prompt. So we're going to take it for a spin and see what we can generate. Okay, so over at console.anthropic.com, inside of the developer tools, they have this new tool, which we call generator prompt. And basically it can turn whatever you put into it into a high quality prompt. And I thought it'd be fun to try this out today. So let's see what we can come up with. So there's a couple examples here, but let's try to think of our own here. I want to let's see. I want to be able to optimize the YouTube video. I can give you a transcription of the video, and I want to have the title, description, tags, hashtags, and some also give 3 title choices to pick from. Let's just see what that does. So this is just trying to get like a YouTube video optimizing prompt. So with Claude, the prompts are, I think they work well and they're structured in a certain way. So this is kind of interesting, right? It's really detailed. See, like, it's really, really detailed. So it starts off with, giving your transcript. See, next come up with 3 engaging click-worthy title options for this video that incorporate key topics and themes you identified. The title should be concise yet compelling to maximize views. That's a good way to put it. The description should be 1 to 2 paragraphs, incorporate the main topics. Finally, generate a set of tags and hashtags that are relevant to the video. Content will help get discovered by interested viewers. This is really good. It's kind of crazy. I mean, I would have had no prayer of writing something quite like that. All right, let's go back and do one more. Let's see what's something common here. Well, translate code. Let's see what this does. Translate code. Translate code to Python. Recommend a product. Summarize a document. Content moderation. Ooh, excuse me. Write an email. Let's do the translate code. That one could be useful. Okay, so your task is to translate a piece of code from another language into Python. Here's the code, the goal. Wow. These are really good. And the cool thing too is it hops it once you get your prompt, it goes right into their kind of playground. And if you, I just signed up and they gave me $2 to play around with. So, but it does use, like I said, it is more of the developer focused tool. This, what we're in right now. But I was able to get some free credits, so maybe you can if you sign up. But I mean, I think if you're, kind of going to the well for certain prompts, it'll be interesting to see if how well these would work, and also in GPT-4, um, and I imagine they would work well. They're well structured, but some of the you might have to do some tweaking. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna work this in when I have kind of bigger things and see how it performs. But I thought it was really cool. I thought it was really cool. So I just wanted to share that today with you guys. So thanks for stopping by, and and hopefully you get a little something out of this, and your prompts get a little bit juicier. And we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.